walkie on, leave the handle in the upright position. Press the red switch, which is the main power supply on the console. To turn on the controls to the handle, press 1, then the green button. You will see the battery indicator first on the LED screen. To turn off power to the handle, press the red button on the control panel. To turn off the main power to the whole walkie, press the red button on the console. The proper operating position is at a 45-degree angle. If the handle is in an upright position, that is a brake position. If the handle is parallel to the floor, that is a brake position as well. The handles also have a forward and reverse throttle. You have horns on either side of the handle and a lift and a lower button. On the handle, there is a turtle button to place the walkie into creep mode. Press the turtle button and you will see slow on the display. With the handle up, this mode will allow you to do a pinwheel turn in tight spaces. To get out of creep mode, place the handle in the upright position, press the turtle button again, and the display will go back to battery mode. For safety reasons, you always want to face forward and avoid walking backwards. If it is behind you, the proper way to walk the walkie is to stand off to the side. If you have to walk behind the walkie, a key safety feature is the red belly button. If you were pinned against a wall or if there was a product behind you, the red belly button will cause the walkie to immediately move in the opposite direction. Once the belly button has been activated, the handle needs to be reset by placing the handle in the upright position. To charge your walkie, you are going to turn the main power off, unravel the cord, undo the 2 bolts, no tools required. Lift the cover off. Place the cover on the side. It will stand on its own, and then you have access to the batteries. Next, remove the battery caps. Fill with water. When you need to water the lower batteries, pull the handle out. The battery slides out, exposing the 3 cells below. Use caution when replacing the cover, as you could easily cut a wire. And then wind up the cord. Tighten the bolts. To actually charge the battery, you have an onboard charger within the pack itself. All you need is a regular wall outlet. The charger will charge accordingly. If your walkie were to fail mechanically, but you still have power, turn on the electric brake release located inside the operator compartment. The brake release will allow you to safely move the truck out of the way. Eyelets are provided on the side of the walkie for extra security when transporting. The operator manual should stay with the walkie at all times. You can reference items in the manual such as safety controls, operator display, troubleshooting, and daily maintenance. On the front of the walkie, you will find 2 data plates. The first plate will contain information such as model number, a unique serial number, minimum and maximum battery weight, and lifting capacity. On the battery, there is a second data plate letting you know the type of battery, voltage, weight of the pack, and the amp hours. As part of your daily checks, inspect load wheels to make sure that there is nothing visibly wrong. Cable connections aren't exposed to prevent arcing. Your connectors are clean and nothing is loose. Buttons are functioning correctly. Handles are in good condition.